Hi, Sierra. You did a really nice job on the Chapter 1 Prepare case. And I just wanted to show you a little tip. Nothing was wrong with your work. I opened up your spreadsheet in my Excel 2016, and in the, what is this sheet called? More purchase? Golf cart purchases. In the golf cart purchases worksheet, the content in row 16 appears as the hashtag or the pound sign. And that simply means that the column is not quite wide enough. So I'm going to use column D as an example. At the edge of column D, I'm going to rest my mouse so that it's directly on the line between column D and column E, and I'm going to double click. And the double click, as you learned in chapter 1, does the auto fit. So it automatically fits the column to the content. And then the content appears. So anytime you see that hashtag, that's all it means, is that the column isn't quite wide enough to display all of the content. And there are a few things that affect this. The zoom level, so it's not just the content itself, it's the zoom level, it's the page setup, it's lots of different things. But one way to fix that is to auto fit those columns. And then you should also know that it might display properly for you in your version of Excel, and it might not display properly for me. So I didn't deduct any points for that. I just wanted to let you know in case you come across this in the future.